hard feelings pag tinatanggap mo yun. Tinatanggap mo yan, no hard feelings.
Sir, may magte-testify daw. Do you have any concern doon sa magte-testify?
Yun nga po ang i-volunteer ni Captain Faeldon. Now that he is out of office already, any and all witnesses should come out, testify. Nang makita natin, kasi kailangan natin, di ba, proof. So, kung meron witnesses, do not be apprehensive anymore. Wala na kayong kakatatakutan daw noon for fear of reprisal na babalikan namin siya. Now that Captain Faeldon is out of office, we encourage everyone, yung mga witnesses daw, come out, testify. Nandyan po yung SOJ undersecretaries. Magpaano po kayo, magpa-witness protection program. Testify to the truth, to the best of your knowledge. Para po talagang ilabas na natin cards on the table. May nanghingi ba? May nagbigay? Kailan? Kanino? Ilabas po natin. Kaya po very thankful kami nung narinig namin. Kaya si Captain Faeldon